Hi everyone, Coach Kalu here. I'd like to talk to you about something that has been happening recently outside of COVID-19. Lots of that has been happening, but I reached out to quite a few of my clients, past clients, current clients, and even some prospects, and I just checked in with them. I said, number one, how are you doing, right? What are you currently struggling with? And number two, how can I help? What I found was really interesting is that a lot of people didn't know what help they needed. And so they didn't know what to ask for. They didn't know how to tell me how to actually help them. And so as a coach, what that says to me is that right now there's a lot of uncertainty. And when we have uncertainty, there's a need for clarity. And so I want to help, like other coaches out there and other people who are trying to help. So I would like to help. So what I will be creating, working with my team, is we're going to create something really consistent that people can have access to help. It's going to be what I'm going to be calling my Monday mindset meetings, because it had to be 3 M's, I don't know. It just sounded okay. Monday, most people don't like Monday meetings, but this is a Monday meeting that you don't want to miss because it's about the mindset. And so each week, it's only going to be about 30 minutes. And each week, we're going to take an area, either life, leadership, or business, and we're going to add to clarity. So number one, we're going to add clarity to that subject or that topic that we're going to be speaking about. And number two, we're going to talk about identifying the right mindset for that area, that specific area. And number three, what are some key actions? What we talk about first steps. What is one action that you can take? My business partner always talks about imperfect, inspired actions. What are some key actions you could take for that week that will set your week up in the right mindset as well as frame for that week? This is going to be a webinar. It's going to be open to everyone. It's going to be absolutely free. We're going to make it that you could download it. And so we're thinking about 8 a.m. for 30 minutes. That's Mountain Time, 8 a.m. And anyone can join until we can't take anyone else on the call. So each week I'm going to invite other coaches, other experts in their field to come on, and we're going to add some Q&A maybe in the last 10 minutes or so, and we're going to try it out. We don't know if it's going to work for a lot of people, but we're going to start somewhere because we want to add clarity and we want to help. So let me know what you think, and if you're interested, please join and share this with others. We're going to have some information in the link below in the description, or we'll send it out to you. This is something that you don't want to miss. Until next time, take care. Coach Kalu here. Monday mindset meeting. I'll get it at some point, right? Monday mindset meetings. That's exactly what it's going to be. And we're looking forward to seeing you there. Cheers. I am going to get that, right? Like, it's a little bit of a tongue twister. Monday, okay. We're good?